So what's going to happen is this is going to give you a little bit of a demo of what fascia is like, okay? And so what you're going to do in a second is you're going to close your eyes, and with your eyes closed, you're going to see where my finger is. So let's pretend I have my finger here. You're going to try to find it. Or if I have my finger here, you're going to try to find it. Or you have your finger, like my finger here. Now, how you're going to try to find it is you're going to put your fingers lightly onto here, and then you're just going to lightly feel. Okay. But if you kind of, in your mind's eye, sense a little bit deeper, you're going to actually sense where it is even before you come to me, because it will kind of tell. What? Yeah. All right. So you go ahead and one hand you're going to have to kind of hold a little. And then the other hand, so I will with one, too. So I'm going to put my hand, so once you close your eyes, I'm going to put my finger down. And then what you're going to do with the other hand is now go find me.
Weird.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. Sorry.
Close. Okay, so what you can see is now as we stretch this, what you can see, maybe point for me, Kim, point where you see how the plastic is being stretched. So in the line.
What's being stretched is out in a V this way.
Right. Now, if I change and I go here, what happens?
It stretches a different way.
Okay.
Yeah.
And here.
And the V's getting wider on the top.
Okay. So what I'm trying to show is the body, because this kind of works like a body, when there is stress or pressure or scar tissue or fascia that's stuck, the body is going to do this. So it might not be quite as loose, and then all of a sudden it tightens up, and you'll see that the muscles and the structure of the tissue actually will sense. And if you start with your fingers, you'd be able to feel, because it'd be loose or loose, and then all of a sudden tighter. And if you sensed, you'd be able to go right to the tightest part. Okay? All right, so what's going to happen now is you guys are going to practice with each other.